All right, first thing first, we're gonna take a rack of ribs and we're gonna cut these bad boys up. Okay, so we finally got the ribs nice and sliced up, perfectly cut. So we're gonna start with the seasoning. All right, so we're ready with our seasoning here. We have a fourth cup, no, actually this is a half cup of brown sugar. We have 2 tablespoons of paprika. We have 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, 1 tablespoon of Mrs. Dash garlic and herb, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of basil. And then also we have 1 package of the dry miso soup, Kikkoman miso soup powder, okay? Okay, so after you've rubbed in the season just nice, get a baking pan and then go ahead and put foil paper, line it with foil paper, and then arrange your ribs precisely. After that, we're gonna cover our pan just like so with foil paper, and then we're gonna preheat our oven to 300 degrees. All right, now that our oven is preheated to 300, we're gonna put this in here for about 2 hours. All right, so we got a little bit longer to wait, but we are going to be trying several different kinds of sauces. One is Mom's homemade sauce. We're gonna try that. We're gonna use that on some of them. Head Country, hickory smoke, I kind of like this one. We're gonna do a couple of, a few teriyaki flavored ribs. And this one, haven't tried before, but I'm gonna try to make my own barbecue sauce. And we'll see how they come out. All right, so we are going to take these out of the oven here. Okay, and then we're going to, all right, look at those. This is the first one we're going to try. This one is Mom's homemade barbecue sauce. All right, next one is going to be Head Country barbecue hickory smoke. Next, we are doing very, very teriyaki. Okay. Okay, so we got the different sauces on here, and we're about to put it back in to broil on one side for 5 minutes. All right, and now they are ready. Look at this. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna let you know how they will be after they cool down a little bit.